Hi friend, welcome to the Learn the Data, and today we are going to explore the rank text in Power BI, how it works and what kind of function it perform, and what have we have multiple scenario based cases so that we can explore and we can understand more about the rank. First of all, as per the Microsoft definition, rank returns the ranking for the current context within the specific partition, sorted by a specific order. And if a match cannot be found, then the rank is blank. Okay. So this is the definition stated by the Microsoft, and the type of rank what used in DAX is skip and then same as the SQL what we use. So at the end of video we have a matrix like this where the listing of the class and their student and student marks, and based on the marks we have the rank in class and their rank in overall school. So here we have used the same rank DAX but in a different way to extract the rank in class and the rank in school, overall school. And let's jump to the our data set. First of all, we have a standard student name and percentage. This is a very simple data set. Now let's say this is a visual. What we are seeing is a matrix visual. We can see here, and for calculating the rank in class, first of all, what we want it's a general idea that the rank should be in within the class, not overall school. So for calculating this, I have write a DAX in this way. First of all, we have chosen the rank. Let's write it again so it can be understood in a good way. Yeah, 1 minute. First of all, let's understand the why we use the skip word and dense word in our ranking DAX. So yeah, here for understanding the skip, for understanding the this one is skip and dense, first we need to know why we use this. So let's we have a one again we have a one table. Here we can see here that some of one percentage some of student have same percentage like 97 and 97. So in this case the rank has been allotted as a 1, right? Then after 1, if we saw here that for a student having the 96 percentage is allotted third as rank, not a 2, not a second rank, because it is skipping the next ranking number. Let's say it has been skipped a 2, rank 2, and allotted a rank 3 instead of a 2. So this is called a skip rank, right? And we will learn both how to use skip and dance. So in a same way, dance is a in a same reverse, in a vice versa way, dance is used. Dance was if we if we was use the dance, so it would not skipping the rank. It will allot as the 1 1, and the third for 96 for the student having the 96 percentage, it will allot a second as a rank. So let's explore more by writing down the new fresh text. So here we have created a new major, name it rank in class. Already created, but we can use a fresh. Here's a type. So by default it takes is a skip argument, and so we does not need to know need to worry. First of all, we have to select a whole table using the all DAX. So we have a data set naming the school. So we have then the second argument is the order by class, order by. So obviously we have a order by, so we can use the percentage, right? Then as we have to calculate the class rank, not a overall school rank, so for partition we can name it the column name as it's a standard. In a standard we have mentioned the class category. So it has been created. So let's use in another visual. Let's say, yeah, so we have duplicated the same page, and now we are using the new measure what we have created. So here is our new measure. Let's see here what it. So you can see here the lowest, the student having the lowest percentage allotted to the rank 1, but it should not be expecting the right ranking. So for using this we have to modify some argument in order by clause. What in order by, it asking the direction, you can see here. So we have to give the direction. By default it takes the ascending order, so we have to give the descending order. This is the small changes we have to commit. Now yeah, you can see here the rank is allotted properly. You can see here in a class 1 88 rank is the highest person having the highest percentage, so it is allotted 1 as a rank. In class 2 97 percentage the highest percentage, so it is allotted 1, right? So this is all about the rank. Now what if we need to use ranking for overall class, overall school? So we have to modify just another argument in same DAX. So we can use a new measure for school ranking. Just change the name okay. And the argument, the partition why we can remove it. This is the only change we can. You can see here, now we have a rank by the school. So you can see here some Nicholas having the 88 percentage in class 1 having is rank 1, right? But if we see as a overall ranking, overall school ranking, it's for the same student we have a 8th rank for Nicholas. So this is all about the rank. So again, let's say, okay, and what about the dense rank? So for dense ranking, let's say if we converted this visual to the table visual, right? So again, yeah, actually we have filtered the some classes, so we can unfilter all. So now again we have a question and to how we can use the dense in ranking. So for, let's say, we if we have to use dense in rank in school, so we can modify the rank index by giving the dense word in a first argument. You can see here dense is coming, and just put a comma and just entered. Now you can see here, after allotting the rank 1, it is allotted the third 90, the student having the 96 percentage is as a rank 2. So this is all about the dense. I hope you have understand the rank function and rank DAX, and you can use by it in any other way or any other scenario in your data set. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you need to know more about it, you can comment it out also. Thank you.